We're gonna turn this 2D coffee cup into a 3D in Adobe Illustrator. I have different types of coffee cups here for reference. Pick any one you like. The process is the same. Select the rectangle tool. We'll draw the main body of the cup. Draw a rectangle like this. We just need to draw half of it. You don't need to draw the full cup. The lower part is less wide. With the direct selection tool, select the bottom right anchor point and move it to the left a bit. Also round the corner. In most paper coffee cup, in the middle there is a separate part for branding. For that, draw another rectangle in the middle. Try to match the shape of the main body. For the top part, select the pen tool. The top part can have different designs. I'll draw something like this. Also, let's add a straw. We are done with the outlines. Now let's add colors. For the main body, I'll pick this brown color. Select the main body and select the eyedropper tool. The shortcut is I. Now click here to add the brown color. We can choose any color you like. I'll just add some random colors. Let's turn off the reference layer. Before we apply the 3D effect, we first need to group it. Select everything and go to Object and Group. Now open the 3D and Materials panel. I'll suggest you to make the shape small. This will be faster to render. We can make it large once everything is done. Okay, now from the 3D and Materials panel, select Revolve. It will instantly give a 3D look, but we can do better. There are a few options here, but the default one works. For materials, we do not need to do anything, but we need to tweak the lighting. Let's turn on the shadow. Set the shadow position to below object. You can see the shadow is cut from here. To fix it, increase the shadow bounds. Now place the shadow in a suitable direction. Something like this will work. When everything is ready, we can turn on the ray tracing. Always turn on the ray tracing at the end because this is heavy for your computer and can take some time. Select this icon and turn on ray tracing. After you click render, it might take a moment depending on your computer power. Once it is done, you can see the result. It looks much better now. This is all editable. Let's change the color of the cap, but every time you try to change anything, it will render again. We can turn off the 3D effect from Appearance panel and now we can change the color or shape. Then turn on the 3D effect. Since this is still a 3D object, so you can rotate it. If you rasterize it, then it will be faster to move or make it big or small, but you cannot change the color or the shape. So this is how you can easily create a 3D coffee cup in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.